If you're trying to open a Payoneer account in 2026 and suddenly see General Error 3006, you're definitely not the only one. Because honestly, this is one of the most common registration errors reported by new users, especially during phone verification. So in this video, I'll explain what Error 3006 means, what causes it, and how you can try to fix it. First, what is General Error 3006? Payoneer has never publicly released a detailed explanation for this error code, but based on user reports, it usually appears when the platform cannot complete the phone verification process or account registration process correctly. Now let's talk about the most common causes. The first one is phone verification problems. Many users report that the SMS code never arrives, the verification request fails, or the system refuses to send another code, and then Error 3006 appears. Another possible cause: an existing account already linked to your email or phone number. Some users contacting support were told that their information was already associated with a Payoneer account, which can prevent a new registration. Now, let's talk about possible fixes. First, double-check your phone number. Make sure the country code is correct, the number is active, and it can receive SMS messages. Second, try a different browser. Some users have reported success using browsers like Firefox when registration issues occurred. Third, clear your browser cache and cookies, or try an incognito private window. This can sometimes fix temporary registration problems. Fourth, switch networks, for example tree, mobile data instead of Wi-Fi or vice versa. Now, another important tip: change the website language to English during registration. Payoneer support has previously suggested this workaround during certain registration issues. Now, let's be honest for a second. Sometimes the problem is simply on Payoneer's side. There have been reports of technical issues affecting account registration and SMS verification systems. If none of the solutions work, your best option is to contact Payoneer support and ask them to check whether your phone number, mail address, or personal information is already associated with another account. So to wrap this up, General Error 3006 on Payoneer in 2026 usually appears during account creation or phone verification and is often related to SMS verification failures, duplicate account information browser issues, or temporary Payoneer system problems because, honestly, most users eventually solve it by verifying their information carefully or working directly with Payoneer support.